welcome back to my channel. So please stay here till the end. This video give you the clear practical things that I teached you from my some past tutorial. So here we'll see what we learned from my past some sessions. The select statement, the practical things we will learn here. So what is select statement? Now we will get or we will fetch data from our table, that is called select statement. So how we'll write that? Select star from this table name. Now we'll see how to expand or how to know the table description, the table structure. So we know the command is what? Describe. Describe our टेबल का ये जो टेबल का नेम है. ओके, सो डिस्क्राइब टेबल नेम. See, now we got this table name and what is the types and what is the parameters and what how many table constraints are there, everything. See, customer ID is a number, cost account number is a character of 16, then flag element status which is not null and character is 1, like that every information you will got. After that I want to fetch select. Suppose I need only account number, then I'll copy this select account number, comma I want what is the status for this account number from this table. See, now I got this status is U, means unauthorized. Okay, so these are these many account number and these are my flag element status. So I think this flag element status is quite big. Okay, so I want to give one alias. So how will give alias? Here I give account space number. Then how will give number space number? We should close. I wanted to give ACCT number. Okay, then how will use double quote? You know, from last session we will use double quote. Here I want only status. Okay, now what I result? My result, this is status and this is account number. So how will use alias name? After that we need these two in one statement. Okay, this account number and this status is suppose employee. Now, okay, both are not worked here. Oh, this taken as employee. This total things taken as employee. So here I can give concatenation operator. Okay, then it will work. Because first we need to concat these two. Then we will use it in a single variable name. Okay, so I use here concatenation. Now these two working as an employee. Okay, so how concatenation work, that also you people know now. So again I don't want this employee, I want one space between these two. So I given one space here. Again I use concatenate operator. Okay, now see one space is coming in between both of these result. Okay, so how we see now, or what is select statement, how to describe table, how to concat fields. After that how to give aliases and how to give whole aliases, means you want the table thing, means all the things in one variable, all the table in one variable, that also you can do here. I can concat what will concat now? I will concat COD cost ID, COD underscore cost underscore ID as employee. Okay, so my all output comes like, here I did not give no space, so we will add one space here. Now we'll see. See. Oh, space is not coming here. Why? Okay, okay, okay. Space is not coming. Now space is coming. Okay. So I hope this clear. Next we'll see distinct. Distinct. Distinct, it gives us the unique fields what contain our table. So select I say distinct, select distinct from, this is my table name. Okay, this distinct, what, which column we need distinct, this account number we need distinct, distinct account number from this is the table name. Here we will get distinct, means these all are unique only, no duplicates are allowed here. Okay, so you want unique things, then you can use distinct operator. Okay, so now everyone clear. I given my past sessions, what sessions I given, all this in one video. Here the practical session, like that you guys also work. You can write the simple command and execute and see the output, then you will be pro in SQL. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care. Please subscribe this channel and share with your friends those are struggling for the SQL. Thank you guys. Bye bye.